Trump just dropped the biggest mortgage announcement since the 1930s, and the banks are loving it. Here's why. President Trump and his housing director just confirmed they're working on introducing a 50-year mortgage, comparing it to FDR creating the 30-year mortgage back in the Great Depression. Sounds great, right? Lower payments, easier to qualify, but hold on. Here's what they're pushing. On a $400,000 house, you'd save about $250 a month compared to a 30-year mortgage. That's real money. And look, the average first-time homebuyer in America is now 40 years old. 40! So I get it. Anything that helps people get into a home sounds amazing. But here's what nobody's talking about. After 5 years of payments on a 50-year mortgage, you know how much of that house you'd actually have paid off? About $6,700. That's less than 2%. To compare, on a 30-year mortgage, $33,000 of it will be paid off. That's roughly 8%. And here's the kicker. After 30 years, when your neighbor with a traditional mortgage is done paying, you'd still owe $387,000. That's around 97%. You'd be paying the bank back for 50 years and barely building any equity. It's almost like renting, but you're responsible for all the repairs. Look, I'm not saying this is all bad, but here's what I am telling my clients. A lower payment doesn't mean it's a better deal. The real question isn't, can you afford the payment? It's, are you building wealth or just making the bank wealthy? Also, right now this isn't even legal. Congress would have to change the Dodd-Frank Act to allow it. And when they do, these loans will probably come with higher interest rates, not lower. Here's the bottom line. In 30 years of doing mortgages, I've learned that the right loan isn't about the lowest payment. It's about what makes sense for your goals. Maybe a 50-year mortgage helps you get in the door. Maybe it doesn't. But you deserve someone who will show you the real numbers. That's what we do at South County Mortgage. Let's talk about what actually makes sense for you. Or comment the words 50-year mortgage, and I'll send you my list of pros and cons so you can decide if this option may be the right decision for you.